Hello everyone. So today we are going to study a new remedy, iodine. The common name for iodine is iodine and it belongs to the family the element. Before I start my remedy, before I start before we all start reading this remedy, studying this remedy, I request you all to open your Allen's keynote so that it will be very easy for you to go ahead with the medicine and to learn the medicine as well. So firstly, the constitution. The person of scrofulous diathesis with dark or black hair and eyes, a low cachectic condition with a profound debility and a great emaciation. Means the person is having a scrofulous diathesis. Scrofulous diathesis means a chronic granular affection, a condition where there is enlargement of lymph nodes, a condition where there is tubercular conditions, a condition where there is a very weak, malnourished patient with a dark or black hair and eyes. Means this is not a strict condition कि जो patient आएगा वो dark haired ही रहे, ठीक है. Low cachectic condition means a malnourished condition with a profound debility, a very great weakness and a great emaciation. Great emaciation means there is wasting of the muscles and a severe weight loss. Heart goiter in dark-haired person feels ameliorated after eating. So heart goiter is given in the patients where there is a firm enlargement of the glands of the neck. Okay, and the patient feels very better आफ्टर ईटिंग. खाना खाने के बाद उसको बहुत आराम मिलता है. तो ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हो गया. देन कम्स द फिजिकल जनरल. फिजिकल जनरल में क्या है? ravenous hunger eats freely and well yet loses flesh all the time. तो ravenous hunger means उसको बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगती है. eats freely बहुत ज़्यादा खाना खाएगा and eats well yet there is a loss of flesh, yet there is a severe weight loss, yet there is a wasting of the muscles. Suffers from hunger, must eat every few hours and anxious and worried if he does not eat, feels ameliorated while eating or after eating when the stomach is full. तो इसमें लिखा है कि it suffers from hunger means the patient जब भी वो कुछ खाता है that food get assimilated very immediately, that there is a constant space for a constant hunger and the patient feels hungry all the time. And when he feels hungry तो उसको क्या लगता है, उसको बहुत anxious हो जाता है कि हाँ मुझे खाना चाहिए. अगर वो खाना नहीं खाएगा तो बहुत एंजाइटी होने लगेगी उस पेशेंट में. जैसे ही खाना खा लेता है so during eating or after eating उसको बहुत आराम मिलता है. Then there is hypertrophy and induration of the glandular glands. Hypertrophy and induration means hardening of the glandular glands. Glandular glands may be thyroid, mammae, ovaries, testes, uterus, prostate and other glands. Breast may dwindle and become flabby. So breast may dwindle and become flabby का मतलब होता है that the breast may get shrunken and become flabby because of the wasting of the muscles, because of the losing of the flesh. ठीक है. And there is a hypertrophy and induration of the glandular glands and the glands are like thyroid, mammae, ovaries, uterus, testes and prostate. Coming to GIT. So gastrointestinal system में लिखा है empty eructation from morning to night. Empty eructation from morning to night means there is a constant burping but there is no food, there is no acid. ठीक है, किसी भी चीज़ का इरेक्टेशन नहीं हो रहा बट देर इज अ कॉन्स्टेंट बर्पिंग एज इफ द एवरी पार्टिकल ऑफ द फूड वॉज टर्न इनटू एयर. और ये जो इरेक्टेशन हो रहा है वाई इट इज़ हैपनिंग, ऐसा लग रहा है कि हर एक खाना जो वो पेशेंट खा रहा है दैट इज कॉन्स्टेंटली एंड इमीडिएटली एसिमिलेटेड. ठीक है, इट इज़ एब्जॉर्ब्ड कि उसके बाद जो स्टमक है वहाँ पे एसिड का फॉर्मेशन ज़्यादा हो रहा है जिसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, इरेक्टेशंस आ रहे हैं एंड दैट टू एम्प्टी आ रहे हैं. Constipation with ineffectual urging ameliorated by drinking cold milk. अब constipation, there is a difficulty in passing the stool, there is an ineffectual urging to pass the stool, but the patient gets ameliorated by having the cold milk. Cold milk here it acts temporarily for relief of the constipation. Then female reproductive system. In female reproductive system you will find leukorrhea and this white discharge, that is leukorrhea. This leukorrhea it will be aggravated at the time of the menses and this leukorrhea will be very acidic, acrid, corrosive and it will stain the linen as well. Okay, then cancerous degeneration of the cervix. Now because the here in iodine you will find the patient, the female patients, they will be facing a cancerous degeneration of the cervix, means there will be a cervix related diseases where the patient will suffer or present with the symptoms like there is a cutting pain in the abdomen or there is a bleeding along with the stool. Okay, that is hemorrhage in the stool. Then respiratory system. Great weakness and loss of breath on going upstairs during the menses. Now the patient is facing the breathlessness even after, just after a slight fatigue. Just after slight fatigue, the patient is facing the weakness and the breathlessness on going upstairs or during the menses. Then itching low down the lungs behind the sternum causing cough extend through bronchi to the nasal cavity. Now itching में क्या है कि the patient is having itching, where the patient is having itching, जो lungs है उसके lower down में यहाँ पे behind the sternum, behind the breastbone, and ये जो itching होती है at the low down of the lungs at the behind the sternum, इसके वजह से क्या होता है, this acts like a triggering factor which causes cough. It acts like a triggering factor. The patient starts coughing, and this itching may extend from the bronchi to the nasal cavity to the nose. Then croup. Croup में क्या है? Membranous, hoarse, dry cough, worse in warm, wet weather, with wheezing and swallowing respiration. Now, how the cough is? It is dry, worse in the warm weather, okay, and it is the wheezing sound के साथ आएगा, noisy respiration होगा. Then the child grasps the larynx, face pain and cold, especially in the fleshy children. Now child grabs the larynx means at the time of the laryngeal respiration, what happens, whenever the child will do laryngeal respiration, there will be suffocation in the throat, because of which after some time you will see the patient's face will turn pale and cold. तो वही लिखा गया, and it mainly occurs in the cases of fleshy children. Then cardiovascular system. Palpitation, worse from least exertion. तो palpitation होगा थोड़े से भी least exertion से, वो बहुत ज़्यादा worse हो जाएगा. Sensation as if the heart was squeezed. So heart was squeezed ऐसा sensation होगा as if grasped with the iron hand. जैसे कि आपने कैक्टस ग्लैडीफ्लोरा में भी पढ़ा था कि वो जो हार्ट है दैट गेट्स स्क्वीज्ड और वो टाइटर एंड टाइटर बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट हो जाता है. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी क्या है, एज इफ ग्रास्प बाय एन आयरन हैंड. Modalities: aggravation by warmth or wrapping the head. Then comparison किया गया है, complementary medicines lycopodium and comparison किया गया है acetic acid, bromium, poniumab, kalibai, spongia in membranous croup and croupy infection, especially in overgrown boys with scrofulous diathesis. It follows well after Hipper and Mercurius. तो Hipper and Mercurius को के बाद दिया जाता है, and it is followed by kalibai. Followed by means iodine के बाद kalibai दोगे in the cases of croup. ठीक, acts best in goiter when it is given after full moon or when the moon is waning. तो ये ट्रेडिशनली होम्योपैथिक लिटरेचर में लिखा गया है कि इफ इट इज गिवन एट द टाइम ऑफ द फुल मून, ठीक है, मीन्स फुल मून के बाद दे रहे हैं आप, या फिर व्हेन द मून इज वेनिंग, तो ये बहुत अच्छा एक्ट करता है इन द केसेस ऑफ गोइटर. एंड इट शुड नॉट बी गिवन ड्यूरिंग द lying in bed. Now what is lying in bed means? Lying in bed means postpartum period after the childbirth. So it should not be given during the lying in period except in the high potencies as said by Herring. So iodine में mainly आप किस में देते हैं, आप mainly इसे हार्ट गोइटर में देते हैं, and the patient is losing the flesh, ठीक है, चाहे वो कितना भी खाना खा ले, and अगर उसको भूख लग रही है और उसे खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, the patient will become anxious as well. And in the female reproductive system you will see कि leukorrhea है which is aggravated at the time of the menses, and leukorrhea is acrid, corrosive, and it causes staining in the linen. And in the respiratory you will see the patient will face the breathlessness, fatigue after slight exertion के बाद ही when he goes upstairs, एंड देयर एक बहुत मेन सिम्टम है इचिंग के बारे में कि इचिंग कहाँ हो रही है, इन द लो डाउन इन द लंग्स behind the sternum, and it acts like a triggering factor which causes cough for the patient. And this itching may extend from bronchi to the nasal cavity. एंड मोडालिटीज वार्म से एग्रेवेशन होता है, रैपिंग अप ऑफ द हेड से एग्रेवेशन होता है. So this is all about iodine. The common name is iodine and belongs to the family, the element. And this is all from my side. Thank you.